my channel. In this video I wanted to show you what I pack for a long trip as far as makeup goes. This is my little makeup case that I have gotten from 31 and it is packed to the top. So let's get into it and see what I have in it. We're going away for a trip to Europe and we'll be staying there for 21 days. So I wanted to show you what I will be packing for that duration. I'm very particular as to what products I use, so I like to have everything on hand. I'm obviously checking this bag, putting this in my checked in bag. I have been thinking about removing some stuff and putting it in my carry-on just so I can maybe prep my face before landing type of thing, but I haven't 100% decided on that yet. So this is what I will most likely be packing in my makeup case to check in. So as you open it up, on top here I have my face brushes, and then in here I have my big face brush as well, and then just a few eye brushes, and then I have a sharpener and my makeup sponge. So that's what's in here. And then over here, so let's have a closer look. So start with primers. I am taking the NYX Angel Veil primer as well as the Born to Glow primer. So this one is a illuminating primer, and this one is Skin Perfecting primer. Okay, so then I am packing my favorite lipsticks or lip stains. So I have the Maybelline lip stain in Lover number 15, and number 5, which is Loyalist, and there should be one more in here. Okay. And number 50, Voyager. And then I'm also packing the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in number 8, San Paulo. And then I also have 2 lipsticks, which is Airy Fairy by Rimmel, which is one of my favorite lipsticks, and also by Clinique Rhubarb Poppy, which is number 35. And then I'm packing my Total Temptation Maybelline mascara, which is my new favorite, my Sormé Precision Duo Liquid Liner and Corrector in black, my Naked Skin Urban Decay Weightless Concealer, as well as my It Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. And then I am also packing the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Ash Brown. Then I'm packing my CC cream with SPF 50, which will be very hot there, so I will most likely be wearing this every day. But I'm also packing my Vitalist Elixir by CoverGirl in case I need a little bit more coverage, although they're very similar in coverage. And then Urban Decay eye primer, eyeshadow primer, my NYX HD Studio Photogenic finishing powder, as well as my MAC Mineralizing Skin Finish Natural powder. I'm thinking I might pack this one in my little clear bag. I have to make that decision soon. My ash curler, and then what else I have here? Oh, I have my lip brush, black eyeliner, and black liquid eyeliner as well. And I also have my lip pencil, which I also forgot. I will be packing this one as well, the lip liner pencil. And then my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, eyeshadow palette, as well as my Too Faced White Peach eyeshadow palette, and my Tartiste eyeshadow palette. We have some dress-up occasions and some not-so dress-up occasions. So, and then I'm also packing my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit. And my Natural Face Too Faced highlighter, bronzer, and more blushes. So yeah, oh, and my tweezers. So that's what I am packing. So, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm packing for in the carry-on right after this. So here is my little clear TSA approved travel bag that I had picked up on Amazon, and in here I have decided to put the powder, the finishing powder, and this brush in here, and I'll just make the brush work for everything. So the flight is about 8.5 hours, so I want to make sure that I can take makeup off, have a rest, and then maybe put some on. It's obviously not going to be a full-on makeup, so I'm not packing everything that I need to pack. So my brush and the finishing powder, which don't need to go in here, but what's the point of having another bag if everything fits? And then I'm also packing this okay, so this has bronzer, highlighter, and a blush all in one. It's Becca, so packing that. Then a little makeup sponge, lip gloss, which is by NYX, I'm pretty sure. Is it? Who is this by? Why do I not know? Okay, anyway, so packing that. And then I am packing a little sample of a perfume. And then also the overnight mask that I'm going to be putting on while I'm on the plane. Then I'm packing this Power Advance Wrinkle Fighter Eye Serum. So a face cleanser by Fresh to remove my makeup. And I just have some cleansing wipes, floss. Then I have my little sample of the CC cream, which I'm going to use as a foundation. And have my Caudalie Vino Perfect serum, as well as the Sorbet Hydrating Face Cream, a small sample of Troublemaker Urban Decay Mascara, and my Fresh Lip Sugar Caramel Hydrating Balm. So I think that's pretty much it. let me know if you pack anything else in your carry-on that I haven't included. So now I'm gonna show you my skincare, and then I'm gonna show you my hair care. Here are the two bags that I'm taking for body care, and so let's start with this one in hair care. So in this one I have, in this pocket, I have the Body Glide anti-blister and chafing. We will be doing a lot of walking, so that is very important. And then the Foot Glide as well, kind of works the same way. And then I have my Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner, my body exfoliant, body cream, and I'm using the Beach at the Beach by Bath and Body Works, and I have the Bali Blue Surf, which is very similar in scent to the Beach. And then I also am packing clarifying shampoo because we will be swimming in salty water, my body scrunchy scrubby thing, and shaving stuff. So, and I still have a compartment here that I can add stuff to, which I'm not sure what I'll add. And then this can hang in your shower or bathroom, wherever we're staying. So, and this is 31 as well. I love my 31. And then another 31 bag. This one contains pretty much everything else. So I've got my Q-tips here, and then in this compartment at the front I have my sheet mask for eyes and for face. I have my Umbrian clay mask for if there's breakouts, floss, toothbrush, toothpaste, and then I have a bag of a sample of different perfumes. I might go through this and just pick a few. I don't need to take all of them, but I just shoved the bag in there. And then in here I have my cotton rounds. Then in here is my full skincare, which has my eye masks, day and night. Then has my active hydration serum, my night and day creams, my emulsion for dry skin, normal to dry skin by Laneige, my sea berry serum by Fresh, and then my Picky and Juju bar from Drunk Elephant. This is exfoliating bar and cleansing bar. The deodorant, I have my hair curling cream, Root Boost, micellar water for cleansing, my mousse, hair mousse, eye makeup remover. There's a big bottle of hairspray on the bottom, and also another taming cream for antifrizz taming cream. And I think I'm gonna take this one out, so I won't pack that one. And I have my Moroccan oil treatment hair oil. So I think that's everything. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe and press that bell notification button so you don't miss out any of my videos. So until next time, have a wonderful day.